Yeah. Same, but better.
Exactly.
It's 40 degrees. I hear that it breaks 50.
Yeah.
So you feel summer now, huh?
Yeah, finally. This is amazing.
This is still
Yeah.
amazing.
I know that. I was talking with Artyom like yesterday maybe, and he was saying that now he will come back to the old haircut.
Wanted to
Yes.
change? Really?
Exactly. He's
Emirates start, being easy.
No. He was asking to one of the managers, let's say,
Yeah.
and they approved. So,
That's good. That's good. Let's go.
oh, finally. I was just waiting for it.
Need to have like a reservation,
Yeah.
hospitals and that kind of.
But 2 countries, right? Spain and Portugal. 3.
That's true.
France is what? That's nice. That's like perfect.
All right. Ready to fly.
Thank you. You're welcome.